Practically everything about the Pixel 8 and Pixel Watch 2 has been leaked, which are set to be unveiled at Google's Made by Google event. The leaks reveal various specifications and promotional offers associated with these devices. 1. Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro specs. Both models will feature the Tensor G3 chip, representing an upgrade from their predecessors. The Pixel 8 will have a variable refresh rate ranging from 60 to 120 Hz, compared to the Pixel 7's 90 Hz base refresh rate. The Pixel 8 Pro will feature a 50MP main sensor, alongside a 48MP ultra-wide sensor and a 48MP telephoto lens. The regular Pixel 8 will include a macro focus feature for better close-up focus. Front camera specs will see a slight downgrade from a 10.8MP sensor to a 10.5MP sensor. Both phones will offer advanced camera features like DSLR-like controls, real tone, night sight and audio eraser. 2. Display, the Pixel 8 Pro's display will have a variable refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz, adjusting based on user activity. 3. SIM card. Contrary to rumors, the Pixel 8 series will continue to use physical SIM cards. 4. Software support. Google is promising 7 years of updates, encompassing both OS and security updates, ensuring long-term device security. 5. Promotional offer. A leaked message suggests a promotional deal. Pre-order Pixel 8/Pro and get a Pixel Watch 2 on us. However, details about potential caveats or conditions are not provided. 6. Pixel Watch 2 specs. The Pixel Watch 2 will maintain a bezel-less display, known for its vulnerability to damage. It will incorporate major Fitbit features like a multi-path heart rate sensor and enhanced stress monitoring capabilities. The Watch 2 will focus on health, offering extensive workout tracking for activities like running and cycling. Battery life remains consistent with the first Pixel Watch, providing 24+ hours with the always-on display. 4 color combinations will be available: Silver Bay, Black Obsidian, Champagne Gold Hazel, and Silver Bay. 7. Price points. The Pixel 8 Pro is expected to maintain the same price point as its predecessor at $899. The regular Pixel 8 might see a price increase to $699, $100 more than the previous Pixel 7. 8. Leak situation. The article highlights that Google's pre-launch event has seen a significant number of leaks, potentially revealing much of the tech giant's latest offerings before the official announcement. In summary, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro boast upgraded features, especially in camera capabilities and display technology. The Pixel Watch 2 is expected to incorporate advanced health and fitness tracking features. The promotional offer of receiving a Pixel Watch 2 with a Pixel 8 or 8 Pro pre-order adds an extra incentive for potential buyers. The leaked information suggests that Google's upcoming tech may already be well known by the time of the official announcement.